Hi everyone and welcome to Property Genie. Welcome to Talk to the Expert. Today we have with us David Wetburn. David is a best-selling author and he's also the current Auckland Property Investors Association president. Welcome to the interview, David.
Thanks for that.
Today we would like to get your input about something that every property investors in New Zealand should be aware of and start planning ahead. The LVR restrictions, loans to value ratio restrictions, which are about to come in effect.
Absolutely. Really interesting topic there. We've just seen the Reserve Bank Governor, Dr. Wheeler, announcing in his latest official cash rate announcement that interest rates are going to be staying low until and at this 2.5% cash rate until the end of the year. What we are going to see though is a brace of tools called macroprudential-tools, and in effect this is just a toolkit to stop some of the demand in the housing market, particularly the Auckland and Canterbury housing markets that the Reserve Bank thinks are getting away from them. These tools could be implemented in August 2013, so that's something that we have to take some action on. What that means is that if you wanted to buy an investment property, or indeed your own home, with a loan to value ratio above 80%, you might have to take action really quickly and get in that space now. Why? There's a risk that you may be declined because the banks need to hold back far more capital. We'll have to see the exact nature and what comes out in the toolkit from the Reserve Bank. Or otherwise you may see your interest rates go up. You may have a higher low equity fee as well. So these are things that you've got to be really aware of if you're wanting to borrow in the over 80% space. For the vast majority of investors, interest is their number one expense, so we've got to make sure that we're keeping this in check. So it's important to do what we can and to try to actually fit in the parameters of the toolkit to build enough equity to get below the 80%, particularly if you're an investor that's starting out. That's got to be a goal there, to look at ways of adding value, to creating that equity buffer. The days are numbered, take action, get in the right position now.
This is very important notice for our Property Investors Network and general viewers. Please subscribe to our channels or visit us for additional information about that. Thank you very much, David, for contributing this important information.